Hello, fourth graders. I want to show you how to use Writing A to Z's Build a Book. So this is your fourth grade page on our website. I want you to go down to number 2 for this week. Writing A to Z Build a Book. You're going to click here to write your book. So you click there, and it took me right to my student portal. Okay, what I'm going to do is log out and show you again how to log in. You might not come up with our page. It might come up with this, and your teacher's username is TFoxU, TFOXU, and then go. Okay, now you find your name, and you type in your password, which is the first letter of your first name, lowercase. Okay, and then it comes to your portal. You need to scroll down till you see your assignments. You might have an assessment that's something for you to read into the computer so I can grade you. You might see reading assignments, but you will also see build a book. Click on build a book, and we'll put it here at start. It says, what type of book do you want to write? You won't get to pick fiction or nonfiction because it's already chosen for you. I want everyone to write a fiction book. The next thing you do is go to plan, not draft, but plan. And in plan, it will ask you all of these questions. Setting, I put on a farm. Where does your story take place? Characters, I put Jenny, a farm girl, and Zob, an alien. Then problem, Zob wants to take over the earth, starting with Jenny's farm. And how does the problem get solved? Zob takes over the farm. Events, Jenny sees a spaceship, it lands on the farm, Zob gets out and takes over the farm. And the title, Trouble on the Farm. So then we go to draft. Trouble on the Farm is already there because I wrote that that's my title. What you'll be seeing is the cover of your book. Over here, you can find your writing planner. So in case you forget what's going to happen next, you can look. Now, what I want to show you is you need to scroll down on this page to where it says backgrounds, characters, and objects. Backgrounds. It'll start with all of the farm backgrounds. You see the word farm here? You can choose any setting you want. You just need to find some background that will go with it. Okay, I'm going to stick with farm and put my wheat field up here on the book. Then I want to start my next page. I'm going to put add. It says, please write your story. You see how there's a lot of space up there? That's so you can put in your picture. There's a background. Here's Jenny. Let's move her up. Right there. And please write your story. This is the beginning of my story. If I don't remember what it's about, I can go back to my writing planner. I'm going to put one day Jenny was out by the corn fields. It was a nice sunny day. I want you to write a couple of sentences on each page, okay? You can write more than 2, but just for time's sake, I'm only writing 2. All right, that's my first page. See, it says page 1. I'm going to add another page. I'm going to say, then something surprising happened. She saw a spaceship. Now I'm going to want my picture, so I'm going to go back down to backgrounds, and I'm going to put in the cornfield. I'm going to put in Jenny standing where she was. And now I need a spaceship. So a spaceship is not a background or a character, it's an object. It's not a farm object, so I need to change from farm to science fiction. Now I need to scroll down and look for a spaceship. That's a funny looking spaceship. There's one. I don't know why I put it at the bottom here. We're going to put it in the sky. She saw a spaceship. Then I'm going to go to my next page and continue my story. If you don't finish your story, it will be saved in your Reading A to Z account. So I'm going to go ahead and skip to revise. It gives you lots of hints for you to revise your story. And if you can't read them, you click on this and it'll read it to you. Okay, let's say that I've revised my story. I'm going to go to publish. It will say, are you ready to publish? No, keep working. Yes, send to teacher. Your assignment is not done unless you send the book to your teacher, who is me, so that I can look at it and give you a grade. Okay? Now it says it's done publishing my book. It gave me some stars. And I'm back into my Reading A to Z account. I can go back this way to writing assignment and come down here. And if I want to work on it, well, I can't work on it anymore. I've already turned it in. But if you want to work on it again and you're not finished, it'll show up here. So that's how you build a book on Writing A to Z. I hope you have fun doing it, and I can't wait to read your book.